The next question is about a line graph. The line graph shows subscription of 3G, third generation mobile services among males and females in the city in USA from 2003 to 2011. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So here I have given a key for my line graph. So the circle ones are the females. Sorry, the circle ones are the males. The squared ones, the box-shaped ones, denote the range of females who have been using the 3G, and the triangular ones inclusive of both genders, male and female. So the given graph provides information on overall and gender-specific subscribers of third generation mobile phone users in a particular city in the US between the years 2003 and 2011. So it is clearly visible that the male members have definitely outnumbered the female subscribers. Can you see? The male subscribers have outnumbered the female subscribers. From the beginning till the end, at no point can you see women outnumbering men in the 3G usage of mobile connections. In 2003, the number of male subscribers were at 25,000. So this particular line graph is in thousands. So in the year 2003, we see that the male subscribers are around 25,000 and female subscribers are around 20,000. It stands stagnated till 2006 almost. It's not too high, doesn't reduce also. It stands stagnated till the year 2006 in both the groups, and it starts moving forward as the years come up. In 2007 and in 2008, we find a steep rise in the usage of 3G mobile phones, both in men and in women, male and female. So they reach nearly 50,000 in male and 40,000 in female in the year 2008. However, after that, the popularity of the 3G network reaches to a greater target audience in the market, and we find that the subscriptions swells manifold as the years come by. So by the year 2010 and 2011, we find more than 120,000 people, 120,000 men and around 110,000 women using the 3G subscription. And we also find that the both gender consumption, which begins at around 40,000 in the year 2003, also moves to around 20,000 in the year 2011. So it is seen that the popularity of the 3G services increases in almost the 5 times in the last 8 years. See, the last 8 years it's gone from almost around 40 to around 22 lakhs. So it is also being seen that the males showed more interest in the third generation mobile services than their female counterparts. So not just the literal depiction of the particular graph has been explained in your writing task, but you also do some analysis. We find that when compared to the female counterparts, the men have showed more interest. They have outnumbered the female counterparts with respect to their interest on the 3G subscription of the mobile network.